next features into. Dr. Khan.
Thank you, Dr. Matthew Mandry, for putting together this incredible consortium today in the Summit for the Future World Vision STEM Pathways Consortium. I'm Dr. Ivan Khan, and I run a company called Consortium, but more importantly, we've been valued partners with Brooklyn Tech Alumni Foundation. Before I proceed, I'll just take 2 minutes today for my remarks. I just want to give a big shout out to all the parents in the room, all the school leaders in the room, and most importantly, all the students. Everyone from MS 691, IS 392, MS 113, MS 313, MS 354, MS 126, IS 318, and junior high school 383. It takes a village to raise our children. I'm a father of 2 incredible kids, and I miss them. I want to be with them right now on a Saturday and playing in the backyard and taking them to their school activities. But reality sets in. I want my kids to have a really good future, just like we want all of you to have a really good future. And that takes sacrifices on weekends. I'm an immigrant from Queens. Sorry. But I'm a graduate of a New York City Specialized High School. I'm a graduate of Bronx Science. And I still remember taking the train and the subway as an immigrant kid to my high school. And it wasn't until I reached high school that I saw everything that you all saw today. You see these amazing labs, the greenhouse labs, you see the mechanical engineering facilities, you see the workshops, but most importantly, you see the nurturing environment by all the incredible teachers and leaders here at Brooklyn Tech. Right now, you're all enjoying that at your middle schools from some amazing, involved leaders, but high school is a bigger pond, and all of us are ready to become the big fish in the big pond. We're not going to be the little fish at the biggest pond, but the largest and most prolific magnet high school in the country. We're all here to become big fish. And the way we do that is to sacrifice this summer. Sacrifice some time. Stay close to mom and dad. Get the practice books. Take the courses. Find out from your guidance counselor what the resources are. There's going to be 40,000 kids who take the test to get into Brooklyn Tech. And Brooklyn Tech's only taken 1,200 to 1,500 of them for the first year. That's more difficult than Harvard, or Columbia, or NYU. So every single one of you belong here at Brooklyn Tech. Just always remind yourself that. Today's time that you spent seeing these amazing presentations was just the start of your journey. And I personally expect to see every single one of you here next year giving tours to the kids after you in your middle schools. So to the teachers here, the leadership here at Brooklyn Tech is one of the most valued partnerships we have from Consortium, from Dr. Matthew Mandry to Isaac Honor, Mr. Isaac Honor, to all the incredible supporters from National Grid, and just reminding all the families that it takes a lot of folks to make sure we reach the mountaintop. And never, never, never feel alone. All of the folks you have here, from your middle schools to your family, to the leaders here at Brooklyn Tech, we got your back, okay? So good luck this year, and work hard. It's going to be a journey, all right? Thank you.